So I'm thinking about counsellors and psychotherapists and particularly psychologists in practice who are seeing people and talking hour on hour, day after day, using those great skills we've all got like cognitive behavioural therapy and mindfulness, and yet somewhere wondering, particularly for our most disturbed clients, what is it that I can do that could really help here? And one of the things that I've found is PBSP. That's Pesso-Boyden's system of psychotherapy. Some of you will know it through Pat Ogden's Psychomotor. Others of you will have heard about it from Bessel van der Kolk's The Body Keeps the Score. It's this incredible process that you can do in group work or with individuals or even over Zoom. And what we're doing is training in this tradition. And what it does is allow people to have a felt sense, current time experience of being safe, of belonging, and having what they need. And when people land these pieces symbolically and really inside their body, the capacity for them to move in their life from a positive place is just profoundly life-changing. So I'd really like all kinds of psychologists and psychotherapists, counsellors and social workers to consider doing this work, because it answers those questions. What is the next level? What is the next piece that can help my clients heal?